what is up, guys? Game Pancakes right here. In today's video, we are doing a smashing random stuff video where we have this boat. It is made up entirely out of candy. I'll explain more later. So, backstory is he had to make a boat project for school. He finished, and we hated doing this project, so we're going to destroy it. Yep. What he says. Yep. We are going to be doing a bunch of explosions. So we have round one, which is miniature throw firecrackers at this thing. So let's just go ahead and do it. I'll show you guys. Okay, so it's round one where we have these little things, but they're probably not going to do much. So here we go. That missed. It's not doing anything. You're the worst ever. You are the worst. Okay, guys, we forgot to film this part. But I threw one and it busted through it. So throw another one. Throw it again. Throw it again. Alrighty, so I know that last part was slightly boring because it didn't do much. So with our help of my dad, he's gonna help us use this to explode the boat. Alrighty, here we go. Run back, go back. It did basically nothing. There's nothing. I mean, So the first two explosions didn't work too well, so we're gonna be doing this.
Oh, yes!
Got some pretty good damage here from the airsoft gun. We knocked down the first sail. Man, but this thing is almost indestructible. It's just made of candy and Rice Krispie treats. Alrighty, so Jonah's gonna hit it with a golf club. Here we go. Let me get the side angle. Alright. Get one good chip at it. What did you hit? He like hit. Oh! Whoa! Let's see that in slow motion. Ready, last hit. Ooh, nice. You broke the sucker. We're gonna throw it off. You know what? I'm just done with this video. The boat came off the pan. Guys, it broke in half, so we have to put it back together. Go!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
so gross. Ugh. You know what, guys? I'm done with this video. You know what? I really want to eat this. That's our video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this, where we explode and absolutely destroy random things that we find. Wow, comment down below if you want another video like this or whatever, but subscribe for more videos, and